Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar. This is Keshi with a song called Soft Spot. So this is a song I should have released earlier than this. But yeah, life comes in between sometimes. And yeah, I know there are many Keshi fans out there. So that was my goal to have this out for like a week ago or so. But now, okay, let's do it. Soft Spot. We have the capo set on the 4th fret. Alright. So with that, we have one chord progression that goes almost in the same way through the entire song. We have verse play that differs a little bit from the chorus play. Anyway, let's go over the chords. So we're gonna start with G. All right, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have then the D, F chord, or just a transition chord here. What I do from G to this is that I'm going over to that position, all right? So I keep the bottom there with the 3rd B, 3rd E. I just recuperate my index and mid finger to this position. Index on the 2nd fret, E string, then open A, open D, and then 2nd G. Okay, we're gonna just work with that chord just for a second or so. Then over to the E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We have D next. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. We have the C. That goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, open E. And then finally we have the C minor. We're gonna end with the bar chord here. So that will be a bar set on the 3rd fret. And you don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to. And then you need to add 5th on D, 5th on G, and 4th on B. So we're gonna learn the strumming pattern, very easy. So if you grab the first chord G, one round will be down, up, clap, up. That's it. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. So for the verse play, we have G, 3 string rounds, then this D, F, this transition chord, 1 string round, and then E minor, 4, then D, 4, and then finally C, 4. Okay, and that's where the difference happens. For in the chorus, then we're gonna split the C into 2 and the C minor to 2. Okay. So when you play the verse play, you're gonna play C4 in the end there. We're gonna take you through everything here. So you're gonna start with G3, 2, 3, D, F, E minor 4, 2, 3, 4, then D4, 2, 3, 4, and C4, 2, 3, 4, again. So there you have the verse play, and the chorus play exactly the same as I mentioned, but the C, you're gonna play only 2 string rounds on C and then C minor 2. So they split it there. I'm gonna take you through one round of that as well. So let's go. C2. C minor 2. And that's it. That's a chorus play, and there you have the full song, Keshi's Soft Spot. There you have it. Good luck with this one, and if you enjoy this, feel free to support me here on Goring Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.